Abby here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ang tagal ko na pong hindi nagme-makeup tutorial, as in, na-realize ko na ang tagal ko na hindi nagme-makeup tutorial. So, hindi naman siya actually tutorial. This is a challenge. Actually, challenge to. So, we're going from 0 to 100. So, just a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist in any way or in any form. I am just a makeup lover. I love exploring on makeup, so I don't know how I achieve this look, so please keep on watching. for today's video. Ang hirap niyang gawin, nakakaloka. Ayun. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below for any video suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And always remember to make your eyebrows on flick. Bye! La 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 la.